What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. If you love shooting video, you don't want to do any color grading, or if you love shooting JPEG without any like color grading, then you can use picture profile. Click on the camera, go to the menu. Okay, once I'm at the menu, camera setting to, where's picture profile? Okay, yeah, I need to go back. Come on, camera, picture profile, proxy, face. Okay, yeah, again let me tell you, menu, camera setting 1, page 11. For the picture profile, I put my picture profile in the PP1. Here you can select turn on. When you're using picture profile, you can't use the how to say, the profile, the regular profile. For example, you see there's no option, but I wanna turn on the picture profile. From here now I can use the creator style. Okay, scroll creator style. When using the picture profile, the creator style will be disabled. Camera setting 1, page 11. Here's the picture profile. Subscribe and bye.